Okay, so this is my first unboxing video and I am a little bit tired, but let's go for it. So this is a 3020T CNC machine. I ordered it on eBay or somehow, but anyhow. Okay, so let's open the box and see what's inside. Okay, I opened it up and the packing is quite solid and rigid. They have some placeholder foam or something like this, so you can remove this. And beneath there is some more foams and so on, but at least here is the machine itself. Okay, just get rid of this. So, okay, and here is some box. Okay, I think it's the motors and the accessories. I also going to open it and come back to look inside. Okay, so here it is. There is also some placeholders and some protective covers, some user manuals or something, I think so. Yes, it's in German. Translate from Google. Okay, it's okay. Yes, here is some CD. I hope it's with some drivers or so. It's maybe not damaged, but anyhow. And here is the power plug. I ordered it with the European version, so I get these kind of plugs with I get some connector for the UK standards. Okay, and here are the USB cable. It has a USB A at one end and a USB B on the other one. Okay, and here is a control unit, but I will open it up and take it out to see it better. Oops. So here are the little motors. These are going to spin the axis with some covers and some screws. I think I need to have 4 of each of these. So here is 2 and 1 motors and 1 cover. Here are the other one. I have 2 inside, 2 screws, and here are also some protective foams or something, and here are the other ones for 2, and yes, I hope it's contain everything. It's 4 for this, and the last one, it has one inside, and yes, it has one inside, and cover. And we also have the last 3 one of the screws. Okay, so wow, yes, this is the control unit. Yes, and here is some end mills and accessories, I hope so. Here are some screws and some placeholders. You can fix the piece on your table. Some little accessories, not so much of it, but something to start with. Yes, there is some screws and there are some safeties and so on. Okay, so this is it. Let's take out the control unit itself and take a look. Okay, so here is the control unit. It has a power on off button, slightly moving, but it's a little bit jiggle, but I think it's okay. And the spindle on off button and the spindle speed knob. You can control the speed of the spindle motor with this, and an emergency stop button to stop the machine itself. Yes, I see. Okay, so this is the front, and it's quite solid. I turn it over to see the back of it, and yes, we have the parallel port, the power cable slot, and the 3-axis, also the spindle here. Maybe it will adjust the focus. Okay, and here is the USB-B port. This one I couldn't find on the images at eBay or at the specification at the site, so but it's on the actual piece, so I think it's okay. It's going to work maybe with USB also, not just with parallel ports. Okay. Okay, good. I cannot find any unboxing or detailed description what's inside the box about this specific model, so I decided to create one if I ordered it already. So maybe the next guy who want to find something about this machine, it helps a little bit. Okay, so let's take out the machine itself and take a look. The frame of the machine is very well coated with these foams, so it's there is basically no chance to damage it during the shipping. But anyhow, this is the machine. It's quite a heavy one. It's 20 kilos or so, so it has a quite heavy piece, and it has a quite solid rigid frame with a very thick of plate of aluminium and some other materials. So I'm not going to assemble it right now, but here is the connectors for the spindles and the axis motors, and the connectors for the motors. You only need to put the motors in place and start some engraving and mining. So okay, yes, I could move it. I don't know. I don't want to push it before I read the manual or something, because I don't want to break it. Perhaps I couldn't, but anyhow. Okay, so I think it's quite a solid one. Uh, Generally, I am very pleased right now. I'm going to create some more videos about the mining experience and the quality of the miles and so on. This one capable of creating a piece about 20 and 30 centimeter with the surface area and 5 centimeter of depth. So it's I think it's good enough for a hobby or at home CNC machine to create some basic stuff for hobby projects. Okay, so this is it for now, and the next time I'm going to turn it on and maybe creating something with it.